Hey everyone, I'm Dave and this is Retired with Purpose. In my last video, I shared how YouTube really surprised me um, unexpectedly as a side hustle. And I shared those things in that last video. If you have not seen that video, you should check it out. But I was absolutely blown away with the positive responses that I got from that video. A lot of you were saying, "That's great, but how do I actually get started? How does that work?" So in this video, I'm going to address that. I'm going to show you exactly how to take those first simple steps. I'm going to talk to you about, how to name your channel. We're going to talk about picking a photo or logo. And then we're going to talk about writing just a short description for your about section. And most importantly, guys, in all of this, don't overthink it. This is not hard. Don't overthink it. The main thing is to just get started with this. So, first up, let's talk about your channel name. And you want to keep this simple. Um, you already have a channel name because you have a YouTube account, but do you like it? Does it feel like an appropriate channel name to you? Most people get caught by this right off the bat. So we all feel like your channel name needs to be catchy or something deep, but honestly, it doesn't. That it doesn't really matter. Do you realize, many of you may not realize that you can have multiple channels. I have 9 YouTube channels. And if you don't like the name that you have now, but you don't really want to lose that name, you want to keep it, just open another account. You can just add to your accounts and start a new name. So it's easy to do. It's not hard to do, and I can guide you through that if you need to. So, some of the best names on YouTube, they're normal, just normal names. Things like things like Cooking with Tony or maybe My Garden Life if you're into gardening, that type of thing. But honestly, even just your own name, your proper name, it's enough. Think of your channel sort of like your channel name, sort of like your front door, and you're inviting people in to your channel. So it just needs to be easy to for people to remember. That's a key, and it's easy for them to recognize. But it feels like you. Your channel name will they will relate you to your channel name. So there's things like, you know, walking with Jan or, stories from Frank or Susan's Simple Kitchen. Just simple, easy names. But once they learn who you are, once they put a face to that name, they will remember you. So don't get stuck here. Just pick something friendly. Here's the best part, too. You can change it later. That name is not written in stone. Just because you pick that name doesn't mean you have to stay with that name. For instance, on my channel, when I very first started my channel, it was called Repairs Daily. I didn't like it. It felt like I had to put a video out every day, and I didn't want that expectation from my viewers. So I changed it. And when I changed it, I came up with repairs rule about repairing things that rules your life when things break down. But my my channel pivoted to what my true passion was. And I talk to you about passions all the time. And my passion's side hustles. And I think you guys know that now. And it didn't fit. So I needed something that I could relate to my side hustle passion and yet address the audience that I wanted to address. And that's either retired people or people nearing retirement. But I also found out, like I put in the last video, once my channel got moving, I found it to have a purpose in my life. So I thought, retired with purpose is it fits me. It fits my channel. So I changed it. It has been changed 3 times since it started, and you can change it too. The name's not written in stone. So I just want to make sure that you're aware of that. Now, here's a touchy one for a lot of people, and that is your photo. You just want to be seen and be real. This is your profile picture. A lot of people will just want to put up a logo, and that's okay. I use a logo with my channel, but a lot of people they relate to photos of people, putting that face with your channel. So a lot of people just use their regular photo. And it doesn't have to be some professional photo ran through filters and all different kinds of things. It can just be one with you with your dog or your cat or your garden or whatever. Just a smiling face for your photo for your channel. Now, when we're older, a lot of people feel unsure about how we look. Um, I'll tell you what, I got over it, and I'm sure you can get over it too. It just feels strange to us to put yourself out there, but trust me, it's easier and easier, especially when you start to feel that confidence that people are interested in what you have to say and what you have to teach. So it becomes not an issue for you. At least it did for me. But you want a clear photo, of you smiling or doing something you love. Doesn't have to be something professional, like I said, just a casual, friendly photo. When you're doing YouTube, you are becoming the brand, if you want to call it that. Um, people want to feel like they're watching a real person. They don't want to see some polished production. Most people don't. They want to see on YouTube, that is, they want to see real. Not really a business. They want to connect with people. So I've had some ask me if I believe that running my retail store for all those decades, if that helped me with YouTube. And well, the answer to that, without a doubt, is yes, it helped a lot. You see, when I was in the retail business for myself, I developed a personality that allowed me to gain confidence with my customers. And when you do that, that's when that trust builds. So please notice, though. Please notice this. I said developed. You can learn that too. And even if you have no experience in sales, I can help you with that. I can teach you how to do that, and you'll be more comfortable, and your channel will just blossom because of the personality that comes along with your channel. Now, let's talk about another place, and that's the About section. A lot of people get hung up about the About section. Here's what you need to do. It's real simple. Keep it honest and keep it brief. There's no need to have a long about section. People are not interested in reading all of that. What you want to do is don't overthink this. You just want to introduce yourself. That's what you want to do. You're introducing yourself. You don't need to explain your life story. in that. Um, you just want to tell people what you plan to share on your channel and why. That's your about section. That's all you really need to do. A few honest lines in the about section is more than enough. You know, there's different things like this. I'm going to show you. For instance, hi, I'm Karen. I'm retired and enjoying life. At a slower pace, I post videos about cooking for one, gardening on a patio, and figuring out technology one step at a time. Guys, that's it. That's all that you need. Friendly, real, and welcoming. And again, like I was saying, you can change your mind about all of these things. None of this is permanent. None of it. Your name, your channel name, that can be changed. Your photo, that can be swapped out at any time. Even your channel direction. And I've done that. I've pivoted on my channel. When I was doing repairs and repairs rule, I was fixing things constantly. But that wasn't where my passion was. My passion was in side hustles. So I made that pivot, and you can do that too. Your channel direction can change. It's totally up to you which direction you decide to take it in. Maybe you start making these videos about cooking and things like that. Then later you find yourself drawn to talking about, whatever, travel or health or sharing stories from your past. Guys, that's okay. To make those pivots, it's fine. It's okay. And I can help you with that and guide you along in that direction too. Just understand that YouTube, it's not a contract. This is your space. It can grow as you do. Just remember that with YouTube, perfection isn't the goal. Connection is the goal. You want to connect with your viewers. So you don't need to have some polished brand or some, professional looking site. That's not what people are looking for on YouTube. They're looking for real. What they're looking for is a person, a face. They want to feel like they can trust you. And like I said on my last one, guys, be trustworthy. Give them that. That's what they desire. Give them that. Be honest upfront. Somehow they feel like they want to know you. So, um, again, just be honest and they'll follow. So forget the perfection part. Focus on your presence. Just show up. Just say hello. The people who are meant to find you, the YouTube algorithm will see to it. That's another little point that I'm going to cover in more depth later. So here's a few practical tips for you. If you're feeling unsure, try out a few channel names on paper before you pick one. Ask a friend what kind of a name fits you. Write those names down. Ask them which one of these channel names tends to relate to who I am. Choose a photo that makes you smile when you see it. That's a good tip. Some photos you just look at and look away, frown, whatever, but there's photos that you have that kind of make you smile, brings back memories and things. So you want to do that. Your description for your about section, keep it short. 3 sentences is all you need. It's plenty. Remember that done is better than perfect. The hardest part is starting. A lot of people look for all the details and try to decide why not to start. That's a YouTube killer. Get in there, get started, get rolling with it, and you will learn. Everything else, you can tweak it all later. Now, before you go, I have a little bonus for you. I've created a brand new website and it's called creatorfocused.com. Over on creatorfocused.com, you're going to find resources that you'll need to help you grow your YouTube channel. And you can do this all at your own pace. You can just log on to Creator Focused and catch some of the details, think on them, and comment on them, and so on. If you're a member of my YouTube channel, I put together something a little extra special for you there over on Creator Focus. So hop on over. Now it's creatorfocused.com. Take a look. And guys, as always, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video.